this excess buildup or sugars off before they carbonize, because once they turn to carbon, they'll start wearing the inside of that pan center to a point where we cannot remove this.
Oh.
For that reason, we remove this on a regular basis and clean the shaft off.
How dirty should it be before we remove it? Is that like not dirty enough, or?
No, it's not really a dirty enough. I never want to allow it that chance. So, I mean, this is normal.
Okay.
You know, there's sugars in there. We know that it's the black grease that we see coming down.
Yeah, okay.
That is burnt sugars. And because they're in steam, they're obviously, you know, they're going to burn. But as they are in the steam and they run down here, this is very typical what we see. We can see down here, I can feel the ridge that's built up.
Yeah. What's that?
That's wear. That was carbon buildup probably from the first time you ran it, right? Now we've taken it out and we're removing it on a normal basis. It's going to be free. So you'll have carbon buildup on the inside of the pan setter, which is not rotating. Force this over and start to wear it. And I mean, this is rather large, but we see it on the smaller shafts, on our smaller poppers, that they get an hourglass shape rather quickly. They want with these larger, stronger shafts that's not as exaggerated, they last much longer. But eventually it gets to a point where you wear them out and you have to replace them. You don't want to know. They're $200 or $300, ridiculous like that.
And that's not something you get from Granger, right? That's something.
This is homemade with their keyways in it and spots, and there's a circle. This has got a threaded nut in here. You know that, right?
Yeah.
So if this piece ever were to break, the only way to change it is to loosen up this, push out the broken piece, and then put a new steel pin. Actually, this feels not really, a little bit loose. Do you have Allen screws?
Yeah.
If you have an Allen wrench set, you can make sure that's tight when you do take it off.